it's Brooke with WTI. I think everyone deserves a fresh cup of coffee.
And this coffee maker by Melitta with a built-in coffee grinder gives me the tastiest non-dried out, freshly ground coffee. And I like how it extracts the flavor so well that it's rich, delicious, and I can smell the aromas in the morning. I like that I can have it pre-programmed so I don't have to work in the morning. And I also appreciate the settings. It's easy to clean with the LDC display. It can be wiped down very nicely. It looks excellent with this brushed stainless steel in black. And the door is very cute. It opens and closes so nicely and it's well made. I like that the coffee grind can be adjusted to fine or coarse for a stronger brew, and you can see the water level indicator as well. This will automatically turn off, so if I forget, no biggie. And it also keeps my coffee warm for 2 hours so I can lounge about and enjoy my coffee. I appreciate that it came with some samples of filters, and it has the removable cone shape filter, and it's easy to adjust for the strength. You can increase the strength of the coffee bean, and you can also adjust the amount of coffee that you're brewing by the amount of grind that you get. So I love this airtight bean hopper. It's really cute and probably my favorite feature. It keeps things very fresh and convenient and easy. So if you're looking for just the most optimal flavor for coffee and you also want convenience and you want to feel good, well, this works for me and I love everything about it.
But that's just my point of view.